Hey, CS50, this is Salmi Lochi here with my second assignment, Wiki. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and list off the 7 requirements for this assignment. First things first, we've got the entry page. So each of these should be clickable, each of these anchor tags, and the path to each entry should be the following: /wiki / the name of the entry. Now, if an entry doesn't exist, let's say CSS123, then we'll get a friendly 404 issue, 404 error page, as one might expect. Just going to do a quick scan here to see if I've missed anything. Looks like we are good. Okay, so if we go back to the index page, so this is going to be number 2. Each of the items here is now clickable, and it takes you directly to the page with the content. Number 3, search, is good to go as well. So we can do a partial search. We can do a search for an item that doesn't exist, and if it is an exact match, then it'll go ahead and redirect us directly to that entry. Perfect. Now, next up, we've got new page. So if we create a new page, and let's call this CS50 demo. This is a demo, and I can go ahead and create. Boom, and then it's gone ahead and redirected us to this new page. We can also see it here from the home page, CSS50 demo, and we can search for it as well, and we'll see it here in our search results. When we save, it saves as we'd expect. Now, if the entry already exists, then we'll actually get an error message. So if I try to copy this and recreate this page, let's see, and if I go ahead and create, then we get an error. This entry already exists, exactly what we need. Otherwise, it saves it to the disk, and we've got a new .md file saved. Next up, we've got the edit feature. So if I select any of these, we'll just stick with the CS50 demo. And if I edit, let's say we want this to say edit 1, 2, 3. Now if I go ahead and click edit, then it saves and redirects us to the new page. And that looks like that is the 3rd requirement. Click a button to save, pre-populated. Okay, so if we edit, then we'll see each of the fields are pre-populated with the values of that entry. Number 6, we've got the random page feature. So if I click random page, then we'll get a random page every time, just like we would expect. Perfect. And last but not least, we've got the Markdown to HTML conversion. So on each page where we usually see some Markdown syntax, we're now seeing HTML rendered content. So that is all that is required here. I'm just going to give another quick scan to see if there's anything that I may have missed, and it doesn't look like there is. So yeah, thank you. Everything will be time-stamped in the description. Please let me know if you have any issues.